Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Google Prompting Essentials course. If you are curious about generative AI and how to use it better, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I will break down what you will learn in the course, why it's worth considering, and how it can help you save time and get the most out of AI. So stick around and let's dive in. First, let's understand what exactly is the Google Prompting Essentials course. Well, it's a beginner friendly program designed to help you write better prompts for AI tools. Now, why is that important? Because the better your prompts, the better the AI will respond. This course is all about learning how to communicate effectively with AI so you can use it to make your work easier. The course is self paced, which means you can learn at your own speed. On average, it takes around 9 hours to complete, and you can spread it over 3 weeks if you prefer. That's only about 3 hours a week. Plus, at the end, you will get a Google issued certificate which looks great on your resume. Now, let's talk about what you will actually learn in the course. It focuses on helping you write effective prompts for different AI tasks. By the end of the course, you will know how to use AI for things like drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, summarizing documents, and even analyzing data. The best part? You will learn how to do all of this responsibly, meaning you will be aware of potential issues like biases in AI results. The course is divided into four easy to follow modules. Module 1 starts by showing you how to use AI to save time at work. You will learn how to quickly draft emails, come up with ideas, create trackers, and even summarize long reports. Moving to Module 2, the course shows you how to use AI to uncover insights from data. Here you will learn how to analyze spreadsheets, create charts, and generate speaker notes. Then in Module 3, you will dive into advanced techniques like prompt chaining and multimodal prompting. This is where things get exciting. You will learn how to use AI for more complex tasks such as breaking down big ideas or creating AI agents that can simulate conversations. Finally, in Module 4, you will learn how to build your own AI prompt library, which you can reuse whenever you need it. You will also get a challenge to test what you have learned by creating your own prompts for real life situations. Throughout the course, you will get access to 40 videos, 15 readings, and 12 assignments, all designed to make learning practical and hands on. The assignments will help you practice what you have learned, like planning a vacation, creating content, or analyzing data with AI. By the end, you will have a set of reusable prompts that will save your time at work and boost your productivity. Now, let me share my personal experience with the course and tell you what I really liked about it. First of all, the course is very beginner friendly. You don't need to have any experience with AI or coding. The lessons are clear, straightforward, and provide real life examples to help you understand how to use AI in everyday work tasks. I also loved how the course teaches you not just to use AI but to do so ethically and responsibly, which is crucial as we all start using AI more in our professional lives. Another thing I really liked was the practical assignments. These are not just theoretical, they make sure you practice what you have learned in real world scenarios. The assignments like writing prompts for emails, analyzing data, and brainstorming ideas really help me get hands on experience. I feel confident applying these skills to my work and can see how they would be useful in almost any job or business. However, it was not all perfect. There were a couple of things I didn't like or that could have been improved. First, while the course is great for beginners, it lacks some deeper advanced level content. I personally would have liked to see more complex case studies or examples for users who are looking to dive deeper into AI prompt engineering. Some of the more advanced techniques like prompt chaining are covered, but I felt they could have gone into a little more detail. Also, while the self-paced structure is good, there is not much real-time interaction with instructors or fellow students. If you prefer an interactive learning environment or feedback from instructors, this might be a bit of a downside. Coursera said there are discussion forums, but I felt they could have been more engaging with better feedback from the course team. So, who should take this course? If you are someone who wants to learn how to use generative AI to get things done faster and smarter, this course is perfect for you. You don't need any previous experience with AI, and the lessons are designed to be easy to follow. Whether you are a business professional, a student, or just someone who wants to learn more about AI, you will find value in this course. So, is it worth it? Yes, the Google Prompting Essentials course is definitely worth it if you want to improve how you use generative AI in your work. With practical lessons, real life examples, and a Google certificate to top it off, this course offers a lot of value. If you are ready to take your AI skills to the next level, I highly recommend giving this course a try. It's flexible, it's practical, and it's a great starting point for anyone interested in working with AI. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.